Already almost at 10 minutes and 9¼ minutes, so this video is probably going to be pretty long, and if I fill up my 4 GB card, I'll have to stop it, empty it off, and then restart it again. Other than that, there won't be any breaks in this video, in the original video clip. Gaylord Perry, a regular back. Yogi Berra, History of the World Series, and then another code card. Every Brandon McCarthy card but one that I've gotten has the stamping off. Every single one of them. And that's the last card in the set. That's number 660. So that is super frustrating to keep getting the same crap over and over that's messed up. You'd think that the money that this company is making, Topps is making billions of dollars on these cards, and it's essentially cardboard and ink. Paper and ink is all it is. And they can't make their cards in better shape because they're so worried about making on mass production scale. Vintage Legends Gehrig, Aparicio red bag, or turkey red. Pablo Sandoval 2020, Hanley Ramirez red back that I already have. Some more simple inserts. I do have 4 red backs so far though. Oh, and I realized finally after opening those Series 2 packs, the 20 packs that I had with the 14 Series 1, and I only got one red back in the Series 1 cards, it's because that box had been out forever and people had a chance to pack search through it, and that's why because the red backs are so small, you can feel the difference in the pack around the red back, so people were easily able to search out a difference in the pack thickness in certain parts of it. Wow, 2 cards in a row, they're stamped off again. Greinke, Peak Performance, Dale Murphy, Matt Kemp. Whitey Ford regular back, another code card. Pretty much those code cards are going to be the most exciting part, so I'll run all the code cards that I have, and then I'll add that little tidbit to the end of the video to make sure you guys understand whether I got anything good or not. But it'll take me a good few minutes to enter all those codes in. But I'll definitely be building up some code cards, some good cards on ToppsMillion.com. Reggie Jackson, Vintage Legends, Ubaldo Jimenez, Turkey Red. Thurman Munson, SP. Beautiful. Nice stamping on the bottom. No scratches. Corners are all good. Thurman Munson, SP. And that one will do very well on eBay. Thurman Munson cards always do super well. He had a really good fan following, and people were really, really distraught when he was killed in that plane crash. Mike Schmidt and Alex Rodriguez Legendary Lineage, and Max Scherzer Peak Performance. I'm not even going to talk about the Topps Attacks code cards anymore because I have all of them already in the store. So anything I'm getting is just quadruples and septuples and whatever you want to call them. Nolan Ryan Redback. Nice. That's a nice one to have. What else did we get? Andrew McCutcheon 2020. Nothing else to speak of, really. Derek Jeter, regular back. I already have the regular and the original back for this Jeter card. I keep wanting to take those cards out and set them to the side, but That's after I get done with the video. Bob Gibson World Series, and then nothing else. Thurman Munson SP. That's my third SP from 2000. Well, technically it's my fifth SP, but I sold 2 of them early on. But I currently am holding in my possession a Carlton Fisk from Series 1, and a Mel Ott, and now a Thurman Munson from Series 2. Mel Ott, Vintage Legends, Morneau. Carlos Guillen with the stamping almost a half a letter off. That is ridiculous. It's got to be the worst one I've seen so far. I'm easily going to soar past the 200 card mark of stamped off cards, or off stamped cards, I guess would be the correct usage of the pronunciation. Darryl Strawberry, regular back, or original back. I keep saying regular because that is the regular back to me. Hannes Wagner, red back. Because I have all of those old cards, or many of those old cards. When I see the original back on it, I call that the regular back, because it is the regular back to that card. Zach Greinke, 2020. Armin Killebrew, Justin Morneau, Legendary Lineage, and Berkman, Peak Performance. I'm at 16 minutes and 23 seconds right now of the video itself. The actual video footage. It'll be longer at that point when you're watching it, because I'll have stuff added into it. Al Kaline, regular back. Again, I took it out, but I don't know why. Million card giveaway code card. That's what I was trying to take out of there. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Alright, we're going to have to start us another stack of base cards here. We're not even halfway through the box yet. Thurman Munson, Vintage Legends, Buster Posey, Turkey Red. That's pretty good. McGowan with a stamping off. Johnny Damon has a pie face card, but this is not it. But he does have a pie face card, and I'm hoping that it's when he hit that walk-off home run. I think that's his only home run this year. I was watching that game earlier on, but it could have been a Yankees pie face card for Damon. I don't know. I haven't seen any of them for Series 2. Robin Yount, regular. Johnny Padres. World Series, a Derek Jeter, red back. Babe Ruth, Ryan Howard Lineage, Ugla Peak Performance. And once in a while I gotta stop and take a drink of some water. My mouth gets dry from talking.